What's up guys, this is Abel here, and today we're going to be unboxing the ax760 power supply from Corsair. Before I open the box, I want to take a look at the backs. Here it says what's in the package, the 24 pin, and most of the other components you need for your computer. And this is an 80 plus platinum power supply, so it has pretty high efficiency. I think it's about 94%, and I checked for the reviews in the internet before I bought it, and there were some pretty good reviews there. And I'm just gonna okay. Here we've got the warranty guide and the manual. This is the power supply's cord for the power to the wall, and this there are some zip ties. I didn't know I got some. Oh yeah, and there's a logo that says powered by Corsair. Set it aside. This is of course the power supply itself. Here it is. Corsair ax760 power supply. I'm gonna be making my own custom. I'm gonna be building my own custom PC now, and this is one of the parts that I'm gonna be using. Back here you can see that it's fully modular. You don't really get any cables already in it. It's just fully modular. You just need to put in what you need. And this is of course the bag, the accessories. Here are all the cables that you'll possibly need when you're building a computer, and they actually look pretty good. The braiding is really very good. Yeah, it's really good job from Corsair. This is a 24 pin, and there's a power supplies 8 and 6. You can actually see that you can actually separate them and put them together, so it's like an 8 pin and 6 pin PCIe power cord, and there are just lots of them in here. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be building my own custom PC, but I'm not gonna put the video on YouTube. So if you guys want to see an unboxing of my other stuff, just say in the comments and I'll unbox them for you. Thanks for watching.